Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how you can make $6,000 on Fiverr. Now you've not misheard what I've just said. I'm going to show you how I personally made $6,000 on Fiverr, and I'm going to show you one of the gigs that can make you so much money on Fiverr. It's unbelievable. Now I'm going to show you some tips and tricks in this video. It's going to be a bit long, but it's really important that you pay attention and watch the whole video through to the end. Now I'm going to show you exactly where you need to go, how to sign up. I'm going to show you one of the best selling gigs to make money. Okay, anyone can do this. It's newbie friendly. You can do it in any country in the world and it is super easy. Okay, anyone can do this. Now watch the video to the end, guys, because I'm going to do two things for you. I'm going to show you my secret strategy on how I made $6,000 on Fiverr. I'm going to show you what I did to make that money. And I'm also going to show you how you can half your time doing this. Less than that, I use a program to help me make money on Fiverr. And I'm going to show you exactly what it is today. And I'm going to show you, I'm giving you a load of bonuses as well if you grab this product that I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to give you my best selling product, Fiverrlicious, for free. Okay, for free. I charge normally $17 for it. I'm going to give it to you for free, but you need to watch this video to see how you get a copy. Now before we do that, guys, do me a favor please, hit the subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get to see my latest videos first. You get to try them, you get to make money first. That is what this is all about. I'm here to help you guys make some money. That is my mission. So to help you do that, I'm offering you some free training as well. Okay, I'm giving everything away today. All you've got to do is look at the comments below here and you'll see this little box. It says get my free training here. Just click that link and it will take you to seven videos that I've put together all about affiliate marketing and how I make money. Follow those videos and you will have a great start in your affiliate marketing career. Okay guys, so that's it. I'm going to show you the method, where to go, how to do it, how to take a shortcut, how I made $6,000. I'm going to show you everything and we're going to get you started on your money making time to make money using the internet. It's easy when you know how. So let's jump in, guys. I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, so there's a number of sites I'm going to show you, so pay close attention to this. So the first site I'm going to take you to is Fiverr. Now I know you've all heard of Fiverr, and I'm going to show you a couple of things. So let me log into my account. Okay guys, so this is my Fiverr account, okay, and we're going to go into analytics here. So I'm just going to show you that this works. So this is my total earnings, $5,258. So that is, you know, $6,000 plus, because that's in pounds. I've done 959 orders and my average selling price is £7.7. These are some of my ratings, 524 ratings, and I've got world domination of 29%. So I've sold my products to 29% of the world. Okay, so Fiverr works. That is the bottom line. If you know what you're doing, okay, £5,258. That's over $6,000 I made using Fiverr. Now, let's just switch over. So there are loads of things for sale on Fiverr, as we know. Tons and tons of stuff that people sell on Fiverr. Now there's a couple of best-selling gigs, and the one we're going to concentrate today is on logos. Now before you turn off, you don't need to know anything about logos. I'm going to show you an easy way of doing this, okay? So let's have a look here. So let's just do that. I'm going to show you how much money can be made here. So this guy here has done over 1,000, over 1,000, over 1,000, over 1,000. He charges £122. He's made over 1,000. It's a lot of money. £36 over a 500, £36, 488. Huge money in this, okay? Huge money in logos. So how do you make the logos? There's a couple of ways of doing it. If you jump over to a website called canva.com, canva.com, it's free. And basically you can design things on here. So this is my account, and this is some of the thumbnails that I've designed. I'll just click into one and show you. So I made that one, and it takes literally 5-10 minutes to do it. I mean, I've got hundreds on here to make logos, and it's really easy. You just do hit create a design. What is it for? Logo. We've even got logo in there. And you can drag images in here. You can drag your own pictures in. There's a whole section that's already set up for you with some logos on. You know, like that one there. So you could just literally change that there to, I don't know, tea folks. There's loads and loads of different ones there, and you can use these ones you can use. I mean, that's quite nice. Like I said, you can import photos. You can drag pictures into it. It's an old one of me. Super easy to use, super easy to do. Highly recommended. And it literally takes minutes. Now, there is an easier way, okay? A much easier way of doing this. There's a program out there called Thumbnail Blaster. Now, there's a link below this video, and just pay attention to what I'm going to say, because I'm offering you a very special offer today. Now, Thumbnail Blaster is all about making thumbnails in seconds. Now, this is what I now use for every single thumbnail on my channel. So all these thumbnails you can see here, I have made using Thumbnail Blaster. And I'll go into it now and show you. But, you know, they're really good. And as you know, thumbnails are what gets you clicks. You know, 800 clicks, 224, 300, 107, that's just gone on there today, 38, 93, 253, 460, you know, really, 316, 203, people want to buy it when they see those thumbnails. So this is Thumbnail Blaster. This is the actual software that you get, okay? And all you do is you link your YouTube account to it. It takes seconds to do that. And then you can either change a thumbnail that's you've already done, or you can make a new one. And all you do is click Start with no video. There are a ton of free ones that come with it. There are some paid ones, but you don't need them. All I do is look at other people's, like, you know, how to make money on Fiverr. I'll look at these people's ones, how they do it. And basically, you just make it, don't copy it, but do it, you know, a variant of that. And this is super easy to use, this Thumbnail Blaster. It's probably one of the best things that I've purchased. You know, these are some of the ones that I've made. Don't know, let's just have a look at this one. So easy to change. You can upload pictures, upload photos, change the text. You just literally drag things around. Images, you just upload images, you import images. There's a picture of me, get rid of me. Mobile phone, you know, you can put that there like that. You can change the writing, you can change the colours, you can put shadows on things. I mean, the list goes on. It's absolutely brilliant, and it's so easy to use. Anyone can do it. Probably the best bit of software I've got. Definitely has made me loads and loads of money. And there's a link below here. So this is the page for it. Thumbnail Blaster. It just goes on. Absolutely brilliant. What I'm going to do today, guys, obviously we're speaking about Fiverr. For those of you that know me, I released a product called Fivelicious earlier on in the year. I've sold over 2,500 copies of it. Okay, now I'm going to do something special today for you guys. If you grab Thumbnail Blaster from my link below, you'll see the link below, I will give you Fivelicious, which is how I made $6,000 on Fiverr for free. I'll give it to you for free. It's normally $17. I reduced it to $9.97, but I'll give it to you for free. All you've got to do is grab a copy of Thumbnail Blaster and you'll get this automatically downloaded for free. So this is my the actual software itself. It's not software, it's a program. Loads of videos in there. There's me.
Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome.
Just giving you a welcome video, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 videos, 9 videos from me. How to set up Fiverr, what gigs to sell, how to write your description, where to outsource everything, because I'll show you how you can outsource every single thing so you don't have to do any work at all. All right, and I will give you this for free if you grab a copy of Thumbnail Blaster. And I'm also going to give you some more free stuff. If you grab Thumbnail Blaster from the link below, I'll give you Fivelicious for free, and I'll give you my Chatbot Revolution. I'll give you instant traffic leads, 10k blueprint, traffic secrets, and my Facebook money hack, all for free. That is over $250 worth of software for free. Now I'm only doing this for 48 hours and I'm taking it down, okay, because I'm losing money. I sell 10, 20 of these every single day. It's brilliant, it works, and I'll give it to you for free, guys, if you grab it from the link below. So that is it from me today. Do me a favour, guys, if you've got any comments, write a comment below and I'll answer it. Hit that subscribe and hit the bell for me. I hope you've enjoyed this little insight into a bit of my world on how I make money. 48 hours only. Grab Thumbnail Blaster and I'll give you this for free. That's it, guys. I'm Bobby D. I really appreciate you listening to me, and I will speak to you soon.